Just a quick review of the Veneers unboxing for shipping today. Some myrtle burl, bird's eye maple, fumed beeswing figured eucalyptus burl, so a small lot of walnut burl, ribbon stripe or figured mahogany, purple heart, bird's eye maple, French ash, curly walnut, some figured fumed Itimaway, Paduke. This here's Anna Gray, a little bit of block model figure to that. It's more Itimaway. This is its regular color. You can find this veneer and more on my eBay store, ThinWoodandOldTools, my Etsy shop, Volpe Woodworks, my website, VolpeWoodworks.com, and on Amazon as seller Volpe Woodworks. If you'd like some assistance in selecting a veneer for a project, please reach out to me by email at tom@VolpeWoodworks.com. And here's a small project I've just recently completed. It's a small box made with a Itimaway.